DNA Replication Hook, the secret of life's copy machine. Have you ever wondered how every cell in your body knows exactly how to copy its genetic blueprint? The answer lies in DNA replication, a molecular process so precise and powerful that it ensures life continues from one generation to the next. Without DNA replication, there would be no growth, no repair, and no inheritance. What is DNA replication? DNA replication is the process by which a cell creates an identical copy of its DNA before it divides. Imagine a massive library of genetic information where every single book must be duplicated perfectly before passing it on. This process follows the principle of semi-conservative replication, meaning each new DNA molecule keeps one original strand and builds a brand new partner strand. DNA replication fork, the molecular factory. At the heart of DNA replication lies the replication fork, a Y-shaped structure where the double helix unwinds. Specialized enzymes called helicases unzip the DNA, while DNA polymerases step in to add nucleotides, building new strands with remarkable accuracy. The leading strand is copied smoothly while the lagging strand forms short Okazaki fragments that are later stitched together. Key enzymes in DNA replication, masters of precision. DNA replication depends on an entire team of molecular players. Primase lays down RNA primers, DNA polymerase extends the sequence, and ligase seals the gaps. Proofreading mechanisms constantly check for mistakes, ensuring error rates as low as 1 in a billion nucleotides. Why DNA replication matters? DNA replication is not just a biological necessity, it's a foundation for biotechnology, synthetic biology, and genetic engineering. Understanding this process allows scientists to develop diagnostic tools, design gene therapies, and build molecular solutions for research and industry. From basic biology to cutting-edge applications, DNA replication is the bridge between life and innovation. BOC Science's DNA and RNA synthesis service, empowering your research. At BOC Sciences, we translate the science of DNA replication into practical solutions for researchers worldwide. Our DNA and RNA custom synthesis services provide high-quality, reliable genetic materials tailored to your project needs. Whether you are exploring fundamental biology or building the next wave of biotechnology, we deliver precision, scalability, and expertise. If you need trusted partners in nucleic acid synthesis, reach out to BOC Sciences today.